Hello and welcome to Telos Media. We are excited for you to try Telos Media. This video tutorial will show you how to get started with Telos Media by opening a new account and uploading scripture translation files. To open a new account, you need to navigate to TelosMedia.org and provide your email address. You will also need to enter your project name, which usually corresponds with your scripture translation version and will become your project ID as well. This field accepts only small Latin alphanumeric characters and hyphens. Also create a strong password that should be at least 8 characters long. If your registration went through successfully, you would see the message that will instruct you to check your email inbox to verify your email account with Telos Media. The only thing you need to do at this point is to press this button. When your email is confirmed, you will be redirected to the Telos Media admin dashboard, where you can see the primary steps you will need to take to get the most benefit from the Telos Media platform. As one of the first steps, we suggest you upload scripture translation files. Here you can see detailed instructions on what you need to do, and if you have your scripture translation files, you can upload them at this point. If you don't and you want to test Telos Media, you can download test files following this link, which will allow you to download the American Standard copyright-free version in zip format. You need to unzip it, and as a result, you will see these files. It should come in USX file format or extension, the only format that Telos Media currently supports. At this moment, you can have everything you need to start an uploading or conversion process. As you select files, you will see the list of files and their status in this table. For instance, as you can see, the Book of Genesis has a status ready to upload. Now you need to click Submit button, which will initialize the conversion process. Telos Media will convert each of these files into web pages. If Telos Media successfully converted your file, its status will change to completed, and that will signify that conversion went through well. If not, you will see an error message. In this case, you can try to upload it again. If it still doesn't work, please let us know by forwarding files with errors to us, and our customer support service will assist you. This process will take some time. Please do not navigate away from this page until all files are converted. When all files are converted, you will be redirected to another screen in the Scripture Manager, where you can add additional information about your scripture translation, adjust the table of content, or upload more files. The first thing that you need to pay attention to is your table of content. If Telos Media managed to upload individual book titles properly, you would see an organized table of content. When there is an error processing your book titles, you will see that this piece of information is missing, and you will need to provide it. Until you correct this error, you won't be able to publish your scripture. So you need to enter a proper title if it is missing. You can also adjust the order number in the order if the order was not correctly determined. You need to provide some copyright information about your scripture translation. So in this case, copyright expired. We are saving this information and publish scripture. Now you can see the result of what we've done so far by going to asv.TelosMedia.org, where ASV stands for your project name or project ID. Telos Media will build for you the home page as well as several other pages which are all fully customizable. Telos Media will also build the scripture reading experience automatically, where you or your users can navigate scripture by using this drop-down input and selecting individual books, chapters, and even verses. You can also adjust text size, turn on or turn off footnotes, turn on or turn off verse numbers and titles. You can navigate the scripture back and forth by using these navigation options. Your users also can share any number of verses using all popular social media. They can copy or make a note, which we will try in a moment. They also can highlight some verses and add a note. All these notes are conveniently available under User menu, My Notes, where the user can read them. And if they want, they can navigate back to the scripture. Telos Media will provide your users with a search engine which they can use to search the scripture. By finding the text that fits their search result, they can read a chapter where that search term is located. That's all for this video. In the following tutorial, we will show you how to customize individual pages and how to translate your project into the language of your primary audience. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.